Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and making the light assembly accessible. First, park on level ground and apply the handbrake, then open the bonnet and remove the dust cover or plastic access panel behind the headlight housing. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal for about 30 seconds to clear circuits and reduce shock risk. You do this so contacts remain safe while you work. It speeds later reassembly and prevents blown fuses if wires touch the chassis. Now you focus on the bulb itself. Locate and unclip or twist off the electrical connector, keeping track of the connector orientation and any retaining clip position. Next, release the retaining clip and withdraw the bulb straight out. Do not rotate aggressively. You must avoid touching the glass with your fingers because oils shorten bulb life. If contacted, clean with alcohol. Then align the new bulb with the slot, push in until secure, and reattach the connector. Make sure it seats fully to avoid flicker. You finish by reconnecting the battery negative terminal and switching the lights on to verify operation and beam pattern. Inspect for correct high/low functionality. Once satisfied, reinstall the dust cover or access panel and close the bonnet, making sure seals sit properly. If the beam looks off, adjust the headlight aim per the vehicle's adjustment screws. If the lamp fails to light, check the appropriate fuse, test connector continuity, and confirm you installed the correct bulb type. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.